This is my version of Lady Stephanie beam engine. 3/4 scale, dimensions of the metric drawings of Julius de Waal. It's called Layla, after our granddaughter. It's working fine, except for the governor. I believe the weights are too large and will require adjusting. The noise that can be heard is the exhaust beep. The flywheel is my first attempt at sand casting. The rim runs true, but the walls of the green painted band don't have any machining allowance, so they're as cast and a little bit wobbly. I've got this plate off down the bottom here while I'm fooling with the governor and trying to make that work.